fraction. If I give you some words, how to write in fraction. Okay, that's what we are going to do. Write the fraction for each of the following. Now, write the fraction. You're going to write the fractions write the fraction for each. For each of the following. Okay, now I'm going to write first one 3/4. 3/4. Next, I have here 1/5. 1/5. Then 3/8. 3/8. Then 2/7. 2/7. And then 5/10. 5/10. So you have here 5 things and you need to write the fraction. How do you represent this in fraction? That's what we are doing. Here you have 3/4. That is 3/4. You write it as 3/4. That is 4 parts. And okay, now if I have a picture here I have a picture and you divide this into 4 parts. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3/4. That is 3 parts out of 4. 1, 2, and 3. And that's how we get the 3/4. The next one is 1/5. 1/5. Okay, that is, how will we write 1/5? Numerator 1, 1/5. Now, let's see. Now, look at the picture here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have a picture here and it says 1/5. Only one part out of 5. This is 1/5. That all right? Next is 3/8. How do we write 3/8? 3 parts out of 8 parts. 3/8. All right? Now, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And here you have a picture and it says 3/8. That means 3 parts. 3 parts should be colored out of 8 parts. 3 out of 8. What's the meaning of 3/8? 1, 2, and 3 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is the denominator. Now, you have 2 seventh, 2 sixth or 2 seventh. We will do it as 2 seventh. 2 7. How do we write 2 7? 2 parts out of 7 parts. Okay, now 2 parts out of 7 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you got to shade 2 parts only out of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and we are going to shade 2 parts, 1 and 2. 2 seventh. Now you have here 5 tenth. 5 tenth. Okay? 5 tenth. 5 parts out of 10 parts. And here we have 5 parts out of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have a picture with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we have to color how many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 10. Okay? Now that's it. And finally we'll do one more. We'll do 4 sixths. 4 sixths. That is 4 parts out of 6 parts. 4 parts out of 6 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 4 parts out of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And how many parts we shaded? 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we learned how to write the fraction for each of the following. 3/4, 3 parts shaded, total number of parts 4, 3 by 4, 3 numerator, 4 denominator. 1/5, 1 part out of 5 parts, 1 by 5, that is 1 numerator and 5 denominator. 3/8, 3 parts out of 8 portions. So 3 is the numerator, that's a shaded one. It divided into 8 parts. 3/8. 2/7, 2 out of 7 parts. 2 portions are shaded. We have divided that into 7. 2 by 7. 2 is the numerator and 7 is the denominator. 5/10, 5 out of 10 parts. We are divided into 10 portions and the shaded portions are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Finally you have 4/6, 4 parts out of 6 parts. 4 portions are shaded. 1, 2, 3, 4 and total number of parts 6. 4 is the numerator and 6 is the denominator. We learn to write the fraction for each of these. 3/4, 1/5, 3/8, 2/7, 5/10 and 4/6.